Namaskar, I am Avnish Bagade and you are watching School Tab News channel. After arriving safely in New Delhi on Thursday, all 110 Indian citizens evacuated from Iran expressed their gratitude to the Narendra Modi-led Union government and the Indian embassies in Iran and Armenia for their timely and safe evacuation and the escalating military conflict in the Middle East.
As a part of Operation Sindoor, the first flight carrying Indian national from Iran landed at Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. The evacuees, including 90 students from Urmia Medical Universities, were flown in Indigo Flight 6E9487, which arrived at Terminal 3 in the early hours of Thursday. Singh said, "We have plans ready. Another aircraft will depart today. We are evacuating more people for Turkmenistan. Our missions have opened a 24-hour helplines for any request as the situation evolves. More planes and chartered flights will be dispatched to bring back all Indian nationals from Iran."
One student said the situation was extremely dangerous and we were scared. We saw drones, injured people and the internet was down. Nothing was working. But the Indian government came through, took us in and brought us home safely. Salute to them. They took an unbelievable step and we are truly proud to be Indians.
Tanmay Mahajan, another student, added, "The situation in Iran is worsening rapidly. Just 2 days ago, it seemed manageable, but now it's much worse. We are extremely thankful to the Indian government and the Indian embassy in Iran and Armenia for the way they took care of us and brought us back."
The evacuation was coordinated through Armenia with the students traveling by road to Yerevan, the Armenian capital, under the supervision of the Indian mission in Iran and Armenia. The students departed from German North International Airport in Yerevan at 14:55 IST on June 18, arriving in Delhi in the early hours of June 19.
India accords the highest priority to the safety and security of Indian nationals abroad. As part of ongoing operation, the Indian embassy in Iran has been assisting large number of Indian nationals relocating from high-risk areas to safer zones and evacuating them through available and feasible routes, the MEA stated. This is for the day. Keep watching School Tak News channel. Namaskar.